In this quick guide, I'll show you how to link Zoho CRM with N8N for seamless workflow automation. Start by opening your N8N workspace and go to the Credentials section in the left sidebar. Click Create New and select Zoho CRM as your credential type. For authentication, choose OAuth 2, a secure standard for safely connecting N8N with Zoho CRM. Next, head over to the Zoho Developer Console to create your OAuth 2 credentials. Make sure to enable the Zoho CRM API for your project. This allows N8N to access your CRM data. Once your credentials are ready, return to N8N and enter your client ID, client secret and OAuth 2 redirect URI. Double check everything for accuracy, then hit save. And that's it. Your Zoho CRM account is now connected to N8N. You can start automating tasks, managing data, and building workflows to boost productivity.